Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can upload music onto Spotify. It's a simple process, but yeah, there are a few caveats here and there. So watch the video till the end to know all about it. So this is how you can do it. So if you're an artist and you want to upload music personally into Spotify, this is the way you have to do it. You will have to go into this website which is called Spotify for Artists, and then you will have to choose a distributor, then upload your music. And choosing a distributor is the main part of uploading music onto Spotify. Now this can be a whole video altogether, which I'll make in the future for sure, but yeah, this is how you do it as an artist. And if you want to make original music, is to select a distributor from this directory and then go on about it. I'm sure this website will guide you through pretty easily. Now the other way or the other method that people use or quote when they say they want to upload music to Spotify is to access the local files. So I'll open up Spotify and show you what it's all about. So let's say I want to play some music that is in my PC as an MP3 format, and I want to use Spotify to listen to that music. Now there is an easy way through which you can do this, is to go into Spotify, click on your profile, click on settings. Then you can scroll down and see a section which says library. Once you're here, just enable this check mark which says show local files. Once you enable that, on the left side you can see that the local files has just appeared. I'll do that again. So here you go, these are all the local files, and you can target the local files, which means you can add a source. Whenever you add a source, let's say I want the local files to be read from the music folder, you can change that folder to downloads or anything for that matter. Once you select a source, all the local files in that folder will be put up into Spotify. And let's say I want to listen to this music into my favorite playlist. Just say I want to add this to a playlist of mine. I added to September 22nd. It's a playlist that I created long ago. I search for that playlist, and here you see that this song is here. It was added 5 seconds ago. You can play that song. Yeah, that's pretty much on how you can upload music onto the Spotify app in your computer. It's a different process if you're an artist and you want to create original music, as I've said earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.